I decided to write this song about the sanctuary, and it's talking about a little bird in the sanctuary of God. And I wrote this song because it's talking about what I think the Psalms focus on. Every time the Psalms talk about the sanctuary, it's talking about worshiping and about being in God's presence. And specifically, one of the Psalms mentions that there's a little bird in the sanctuary of God. What kind of God do we serve when He's the kind of God that allows a little bird to see His glory and to be in His presence? He's powerful, He's perfect, and even a little dirty bird, small and insignificant, can see Him. And it just makes me think, what kind of God is that? So I pray that this song will be a blessing to you. Veil, I go inside. Beautiful incense makes me cry. The warmth of your glory burning bright. I approach a holy light. Turn my gaze in, is so bright. The eyes of a sparrow, my surprise. How can He be here? A little bird without fear. Love, what do I know? God of light, your mercy shows. Little birdie in your house of gold. Little birdie sees things untold. I'll trade the little birdie anything to take his place under your wings. Little birdie in the holy peace, a calm, a good night's inside me. I tremble now under the wing of Christ, who pleads for me, who gave His life, His life, His life for mine. How I see His blood, He pleads for me, a holy love, just forever clean. God of love, who set me free. Little birdie in His house of gold. Little birdie sees things untold.